Lineage is the key to reparations. Because let's get one thing straight from the jump. Reparations is all about repair and restoration. Repair and restoration. We're talking about making whole what was stolen. We're talking about making whole what was destroyed. We're talking about making whole what was held back from foundational Black Americans whose ancestors were enslaved in this country. This isn't a handout to the tethers, to the anchor babies, to the suspected white supremacists, to those who are anti-reparations against foundational Black Americans. This is not a handout. This is justice that's overdue.